Josh Smith, Gotta Be Mobile. We're checking out some really cool new iPhone and Android cases for 2018, and we have the Lux and the Max. This is a 14-foot drop, and this is a 12-foot drop, and this one is vegan leather. This one is a polycarbonate, or a hard area here, and then there's flex shock material along the sides of both of these. These are from Tech21. We recently threw an iPhone 8 in Tech21 down a flight of stairs from a 10-foot drop on a balcony, tossed it to the floor, basically abused the crap out of it, and the iPhone was perfect. So these are actually more protective than that one was, which is really exciting. We have a $44.95 starting price and a $49.95 starting price. These are available for the iPhone 8 and up. Here you see it in the 10. And also, it's going to be coming to a new Samsung phone later this year, probably the Galaxy S9, although they won't use that name. So these are really exciting because it's great. If you drop the phone, you're still good. I mean, I'm dropping their iPhone, and they probably don't want me doing that, but these cases are just so protective and really affordable for the protection you get, and pretty stylish. Really like the looks of this one and the leather, vegan leather that's on this one. So you can check out more. There's a link down in the description below. At the end of this video, make sure you click and watch our Tech21 iPhone drop test video.